Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Lumion. I am architect Sonurai from Gladi Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create mountains in Lumion. So in Lumion higher version you can get your mountain scene. If you'll go to create a new here and you can choose your environment, and you can see this is mountain range, but sometimes you are required to create your own mountain scene as per your architectural design. So how you will do this? So I'm going to select this plain environment. You can select any forest environment also. So I'm going to select this plain environment, and we learn to create our own mountains and landscape. So you can select this plain environment, and after this you can select this landscape here, this symbol, and I'm going to click on this landscape, and you can see these are the paint maps. You can use this pen tool, and these are the brush size. So I'm going to focus on landscape. So this is the landscape here. So you can see this mountain scene here, and you can see this pencil icon. You can click onto this, and you can select any environment like American clovers, Egypt, EU farm, and so on, Europe grass, and whatever environment if you are looking. So I'm going to select any of this. Suppose I'm going to select this clovers here, and now you can select this brush size. You can increase or decrease. So you can see this brush size has become small, and you can increase this also based on your design, and you can also increase or decrease brush speed, and you can later on adjust the tile size here. And you can see this is the toggle rock is on here, and you can also change these textures later on. So I'm going to set this as brush size here, and I am going to click here, and now you can see this is getting created, and now I'm going to adjust this height here. I want height to go up, so you can use this icon here, raise, so your height will go up, and if you click on this lower, so your height will reduce. So I'm going to click on, and you can see we have quickly created this environment here, and you can create your mountains here, and you can create as per your design. So I'm going to create some mountains here, and now you can adjust this and create a mountain here. You can adjust your brush size to create this. So suppose this is our mountain region here, and after this you can use this lower, so it will get reduced. So you can adjust this brush size here, and you can reduce this size, and now you can also make flatten. If you want to make any flat surface, you can use this flatten here, so this will become flat, and this will create a jitter here. So you can see the difference here, it is creating jitter, so it will be more conical and triangular shape. So now this will add smooth also by using smoothens tool, so it is getting smoother. So now you can use this brush size here, and you can also use this flatten landscape. So now after this you can create any ocean scene or water. So I'm going to select this water here, and you can choose any water type. So I'm going to select tropical, and now you can create any water scene here. If you want, you can create a scene, and you can adjust the height here. So this is your scene here, and if you want to create any ocean view, you can delete this water environment, and you can select on this ocean, and you can click this icon here, turn on the ocean. So now the ocean is created. So likewise you can play with this, and if you want to change the mountain types here, so you can select any this farmland mountains, field mountain, and this will can change later on also. This is American type, this is grass too. So whatever landscape you want as per your scene, you can select this from this list. This is sand view, this is snow view. So likewise you can use your own landscape. So after this you can create your own customize. You can also place some landscape grass, and you can adjust the grass size here. You can see the difference here it's getting, and grass height also you can increase or decrease. You can see the difference, and wildness also you can increase or decrease. So I hope you like this tutorial. So in the next tutorial I will come with some more interesting topics in Lumion. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.